Hey everyone! Before we dive into the secrets of the moon, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts as we explore this amazing journey. The moon seems simple, a calm, glowing presence in the night sky. It rises and sets. It lights the dark. It feels safe. But the moon is far stranger than it looks. Let's start with history. The moon did not form with Earth. Most scientists agree it was born from a giant collision about 4.5 billion years ago. A Mars-sized object smashed into Earth, and the debris slowly clumped together, forming the moon. So every time you see the moon, you are seeing the aftermath of a cosmic crash. But the moon is not just a rock. It has secrets inside. Seismic studies from Apollo missions show that the moon rings like a bell when struck. Moonquakes can last for over an hour, unlike earthquakes on Earth. It's hollow? Not completely, but its interior is much lighter than Earth's. Now let's talk about gravity. The moon's gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's, which is why astronauts could jump so high. But even this small gravity controls Earth's tides. Without the moon, oceans would behave chaotically, climates would shift, and life could be very different. The moon also stabilizes Earth's rotation. Without it, the planet might wobble unpredictably, changing the length of days and seasons. In other words, the moon is a silent guardian of life. Here's something most people don't know. The moon moves away from Earth, about 3.8 centimeters per year. In the distant past, the moon was much closer, making tides higher and days shorter. In the future, it will drift farther, subtly changing our planet. The surface of the moon is also full of stories. Every crater, every mountain, every dust particle tells the tale of billions of years of bombardment. The moon has ghost craters, eroded by ancient volcanic activity. Some regions are millions of years old, untouched by light, preserving the earliest history of the solar system. Now, let's explore the moon's dark side. The far side is not always dark, it just never faces Earth. It is rugged, full of craters, and nearly invisible to humans until space missions photographed it. Scientists still debate why the two sides are so different. The moon also contains water ice. Hidden in permanently shadowed craters near the poles, these ice reserves could support future lunar colonies. Imagine, the moon may not just be a rock, it could be a place for humanity's next home. But the moon is dynamic. Dust particles levitate because of the sun's electrostatic charges. Small quakes and meteor impacts constantly shake its surface. And the moon has a very weak magnetic field, a ghost of what may have been a molten core billions of years ago. Here's a mind-blowing fact. The moon is slowly synchronizing Earth's rotation. One day, billions of years from now, Earth might always show the same face to the moon, just like the moon shows the same face to us today. The moon also affects humans. Studies suggest lunar cycles influence animal behavior, reproduction, sleep patterns, and even mental health in subtle ways. Folklore and science meet here. The moon has always fascinated life on Earth. Now, a cosmic perspective. The moon is drifting away, the sun is aging, the planets orbit, and yet, the moon has been a constant companion for billions of years. It has watched the rise of life, the fall of dinosaurs, and now, humans exploring its surface. The moon is not just a satellite. It is a time capsule. It is a stabilizer. It is a mirror of Earth's history and a guide to our future. When you look up tonight, don't see just a glowing circle. See a cosmic survivor. See a guardian of life. See a story billions of years in the making. The moon is simple in appearance. But in reality, it is extraordinary, mysterious, and indispensable. So, tell me in the comments, what's the strangest moon fact you've just learned today? And remember, subscribe if you want to uncover more mind-blowing science every week.